Let's move on to the set map. So what is a map? A map is another interface which stores the elements in a key value pair. Every value has a reference key. Every value has a reference key. So that is called a map. Map is an interface. So map contains values on the basis of key. Key and value pair will be there in the map. But in the list and set, only value you are storing. But in the map, you are storing every value as a reference key. Each key and value pair is called an entry in the map. Each key and value pair is called one entry in the map. So map contains unique keys only, no duplicate keys. Map contains unique keys only. Map contains unique keys only. A map is useful if we have to search, update, or delete elements on the basis of a key. So why do you need to use a map? If anybody asks, what is the answer? If you want to search, update, delete, insert on the basis of key, the map is useful. You cannot search based on the key in the list and set, right? But in the map, you can search your value based on the key. There is a reference for your value, that is key. Key is unique. Key is not going to be duplicate. There is no duplicate, but values can be a duplicate. But keys are unique. No duplicate keys are loaded in the map. Unique keys will be there. So map is an interface, and map is again implemented by different classes. That's what the interface meaning, right? Anything is map is implemented by 3 classes. What are those? HashMap, linked HashMap, tree map, same as a set collection, right? Set as a hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. Here, map also implemented by HashMap, linked HashMap, and tree map. So this is the hierarchy. So map is implemented by HashMap, linked HashMap, and this map is another sub-interface is a sorted map. So that is implemented by tree map. So that means tree map implementing the sorted map and also map interface. So this is the one. Map doesn't allow duplicate keys, but you can have a duplicate values. HashMap and linked HashMap allow null keys and values, but tree map doesn't allow any null key or null value. Any null key or null value is allowed by tree map. So a map can be traversed directly. So you need to first convert that into a set collection using a key set or entry set methods. Then you can iterate. Traverse means iterating. So first element to last element, right? Here, entry, you can iterate the entries by converting into set collection. Basically, this key set method returns all the keys. Set of keys it will give. Entry set method will give all the set of entries it will return to you. That's the key set and entry set methods. I'll show you all the methods. So you have a hash map, again, is the implementation of map, but doesn't maintain any order. Like same as a hash set also doesn't maintain any order, right? So even HashMap also doesn't maintain any order. Linked HashMap, another class which is implementing the map interface. So which inherits the HashMap class but maintains the insertion order. Same in the linked hash set also maintains the insertion order. So this linked HashMap also maintains the insertion order. Map is the implementation of map and sorted map. It maintains ascending order. So elements will be automatically sorts and give it to you. That's a tree map. Same as we have a tree set, right? This is a tree map also will sort and give it to us. So the methods of map interface are put method, put object key, comma, object value. See, key value pair, one key value pair you want to insert into the map. So what is the method we have to use? Put method. In the list set, we are using add method. But here, if you want to insert one entry into the map, we are using a put method. And I want to join one more map with the current map. Then you can use put all method. So you can put all method map. It is used to insert the specified map in the map. So that's a put all method. So put if absent, key and value. If it is not there, only you if the value is not there, then only you place it. That's what this is a condition based put method. So you can use this one or otherwise this one also. If it is not there, only it will insert this entry into the map. Then how can you delete the entire entry from the map? Remove method, remove object key. So you give the key and that the entire entry will be deleted from the map. See, it is used to delete an entry from the map based on the key. You are giving the key, it will find the key, entire entry will be deleted. So, or you can give both key value, both that returns a Boolean values. This is overloaded methods. Can you observe here? Overloaded methods. Overloaded methods. Okay. This was I was talking key set method. Key set method returns the set view containing all the keys. Containing all the keys. So only it returns the keys only from the map. And there is a entry set method which returns the set collection. The data type is map.entry, key and value, returns the set view containing all the keys and values. One entry means key value pair, right? Like that, it will return all the key value pair set collection. So this entry set method. These two are very important. We are going to use in the programs also this. Okay. Next, clear method. So we can reset the map with a 0, all those things. So these are the main methods for him. One more important is contains key, and it will search whether this key is present in the map or not. So in the map, given key is present or not, you can check it. And there is a contains value method also. It will check this value is present in the map or not. And another one, equals method. Equals method coming from object class itself, right? Now again, list collection also there, and here also it is there. It will compare the specified object with the map object. That's the equals method. And hash code method also you can use to get the hash value of that object. So I'm going to use these two methods. Please remember this. So another most important one is how can you get a particular key value? So get method you have to use. So from map, how can you get the particular key value? You give the key and it will fetch the value of that key by get method. So get of object key. This method returns the object that contains the value specified with the key. So that's the get of object key. So these are the methods very, very important for us. Hash code method, as I mentioned, a very important method. So it returns the hash code value of the map. So you replace the specified value for the specified key. You can use a replace method. And replace all, you can use even replace all method also to replace multiple elements. And values. This values method returns the collection of the values contained in the map. All the values you will get from the collection using values method. You can find the size method is used to find number of elements are there in the map. So using size. So this is all the map interface methods, and all are abstract methods, right? Interface contains abstract methods. Those methods you can declare in the map interface, already declared and implemented in the HashMap class, linked HashMap class, and tree map classes. So map.entry interface. Entry is the sub interface of a map. So we'll be accessed it by map.entry name. It returns the collection view of the map, whose elements of this class, it provides the methods like to get key and value. So we have get key, it returns the key name, get value, it returns the value. So using these two methods. So map.entry, so if you can use get key and get value method to get them. Next, what is HashMap class? HashMap class implements the map interface by using a hash table. Hash table, it will store the elements. It inherits the abstract map class and implements the map interface. See here, you can see the diagram. HashMap class extends to another class. This is the parent class of HashMap. And this class is implementing the map interface methods here. So some of the important points you need to remember about HashMap is HashMap class contains values based on the key. HashMap class contains values, unique keys. Unique keys only it contains. HashMap class may have one null key and multiple null values. HashMap class is non-synchronized, and a HashMap class maintains no order because it stores based on the memory basis, right? Hash code method will be called and get the memory, and that memory, so it will store your elements. So I'll show you how they are storing elements in the map. How HashMap internally works, I'll show you that. And the initial default capacity of HashMap is 16 buckets. Please remember, bucket carries the water, right? Same here. Here a bucket means as a memory, it will carry the data. It will carry the data with a load factor 0.75. So this is the hierarchy of HashMap class. So public class HashMap extends abstract map, implements map interface, clonable interface, serializable interface. In many interfaces you can implement in the class. This class is implementing all these interface methods. So HashMap class parameters are K means keys maintained by the map, V means value data type. So the constructors of HashMap is HashMap default constructor, HashMap with the map, HashMap with the capacity, and this is the load factor also you can specify. But mostly we'll use this HashMap default constructor. The methods already we discussed, the same methods here also. We don't want separately to discuss. And next one is how HashMap works internally. So this I'll record it separately. Stop it.